Now.
You'll hurt your chin.
You gotta let it fuzz. Get it wet.
Get spit in your mouth.
Yeah, you gotta get spit.
Sydney, you're not even doing it. You pissy.
Put a drop of water in your mouth. Or some spit.
Open your mouth and I'll spit in it.
Take a sip of water.
Sip.
Sip.
It's disgusting, isn't it? I just keep them in my mouth until I puke.
You're not even. Ew.
Oh, Lord, get the sink. Over the sink. Over the sink.
Like y'all got rabies.
I got smart, though,
Oh my
after I
God.
kept making myself sick off those. I just would take cups and chocolate bologna and all types of nasty shit and put it in there and pour it in the toilet and tell John I threw up. I would just go in there and be like...